Hello students, let us start our next exercise, exercise 14.2. In the previous video we have done the questions up to the question number 2. This is now question number 3. So let us start question number 3. The first question is ax square plus bx. Ax square plus bx. So this is a simple question, just take the common. X is common, so we are having here ax plus b, and this is the answer. Okay, let us have the good questions now. Just I am taking question number 4 from here. This is the first one. Now the fourth. In the previous question number 2 and question number 3 only we have to take the commons to get the solution. Here question number 4 is also that type of question where we have to take the common. The question is am square plus bm square plus bn square and plus am square. So let us take the common. You will see that here m square is common in these two terms, and in these two terms n square is common. So we can write here m square as common. Then the things remaining a plus b, and here in this bracket n square is common, and the remaining things will be b plus a. You can write also a plus b. B plus a plus b, both are the same things. And now in the next bracket we will write a plus b and m square plus n square. And this is the solution of the question number 4. Let us see next question. This is question number 5. Just look here. ln plus l plus m plus 1. So just open the bracket. ln plus l plus m plus 1. Take the common. L is common here in these two terms, and so it will be m plus 1, and 1 is common because nothing is common here, so this will also be m plus 1. And now we can write this m plus 1 and l plus 1. So these questions are of the same type question. Similarly, you can do by the same method the question number 7, 8, 9. All these questions are of same type, just we have to take the common and get the solution. Now in question number 4, just see question number 4, factorize a4 minus b4. This is a4 minus b4. Okay, let us do this. A square whole square, b square whole square. Now we can use here the formula of a square minus b square. In doing so, we have to write a square minus b square and then a square plus b square. Also, here we can use the formula, but the formula cannot be used in this way, in this term. So just write here the formula a minus b and a plus b. This will be a square plus b square, because again a square minus b square formula has been used here. Okay, next question. The question number 2. Question number 2, p4 minus 81. So same method will be applied here. Just break this p square whole square minus 9 square. And now a square minus b square will be applicable. So p square minus 9 and p square plus 9. Again here in this term we can use the formula a square minus b square. So we can write in this way and it will be same. So p minus 3 p plus 3 and p square plus 9. So this is the answer. Question number 2. Just see question number 3. Question number 3. x4 x to the power 4 minus y plus z to the power 4. So let us do this question. Break this one. X square whole square minus y plus z square and then square like this, because the power is 4. Okay, now using a square minus b square here, we will write x square minus y plus z. It is in this way, and x square plus y plus z whole square. Okay, once again we can use the formula here in this term. So just write again x square whole square minus y plus z whole square, and this will be remain same x square plus y plus z whole square. Okay, formula will be not used here. Again a minus b, a plus b. So a minus b, if we will write a minus b, we will write x minus y minus z, and this will be x plus y plus z, and here it will be x square plus y plus z whole square. Let us compare this from the answer sheet in exercise 14.3, question number 3rd. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. Now we will do next question, which is x to the power 4 minus x minus z to the power 4. This question is also of the same type, so you can use the same method to do the question number 4 and question number 5 we are going to solve here. Fourth का 5. Okay, question is a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b to the power 4. This is the question. We will use this question, use the formula a minus b whole square. So this can be written a square minus, and this will be break like this, minus 2ab, 2 into a square into b square. So we can write a square minus b square whole square for this. Okay, and just after this you can write a minus b whole square into a plus b whole square. Okay, so this is the solution of this question, because you know that in the bracket, इस ब्रैकेट के अंदर a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर को हम a माइनस बी और a प्लस बी में ब्रेक कर सकते हैं, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग दोनों में स्क्वायर लगा दिया गया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. जस्ट सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 फर्स्ट. p स्क्वायर प्लस 6p प्लस 8. तो मेरिट ऑफ ब्रेक में जाएंगे. ऐसे दो नंबर लाए जिनको इंटू करने पे 8 आए, प्लस करने पे 6 आए, तो p स्क्वायर 4 प्लस 2 लेना होगा. 4 2 जा 8. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आप पीछे भी कर चुके हो. तो p स्क्वायर प्लस 4p प्लस 2p प्लस 8, फिर कॉमन लिया तो p प्लस 4, फिर 2 कॉमन लिया तो p प्लस 4, तो p प्लस 4 इंटू p प्लस 2. तो ये आंसर है इसका। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड में लेते हैं हम लोग। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है कि क्यू स्क्वायर माइनस 10q प्लस 21, क्यू स्क्वायर माइनस 10q प्लस 21, तो 3 इंटू 7, 7 इंटू 3, 7 प्लस 3 10, 7 3 is 21। ब्रेक कर सकते हो ऐसे, 7 प्लस 3q प्लस 21, so q square minus 7q plus 3q plus 21, and now the common q is common, so q minus 7 plus 3, no, this will be, when this minus sign will multiply this one, this is the minus sign, and minus into plus, this will also be minus, so write here the minus sign, so q minus 7, q minus 7 and q minus 3. This is the answer. And the third one is p square plus 6p minus 16. So we have to find out two numbers which after multiplication will give 16 and on addition or subtraction will give 6. So 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 2 is 16. So p square plus 8 minus 2, p minus 16. So p square plus 8p minus 2p minus 16. p is common, so p plus 8 minus 2 common, so p plus 8. So this will be p plus 8 and p minus 2. So here we have finished exercise 14.2. In the next video we will meet for the next exercise. Thank you.